This 6 weeks, I began to research which direction I wanted to take my project in. I first created a list of ideas and then I began to narrow it down. My list ranged from ideas such as air pollution, water pollution, pesticides, and even biomedical waste. However, I found that I generally really like the idea of learning more about pesticides and picking pesticides as my topic because I feel that these pesticides are something that affects us on a daily basis that we generally don't see uh, the negative effects of. For example, pesticides destroy vegetation, and in humans specifically, they can cause birth defects and create types of cancers. When I was trying to narrow down my sources, I found that using both Gale and JSTOR were quite helpful because they offered a pretty narrow perspective and helped me figure out uh, specific articles that would work. However, I found that one of the biggest problems I had, especially with JSTOR, was that a lot of the sources I found were quite old, or at least in the 1990s, and I was looking for sources that were a bit more recent, for example, in the late 2000s. So I interviewed Ms. Valerie Casas from the student association called the Student Conservation Association. She is a coordinate assistant, and she was really excited to interview me, and she had a lot of questions about the class, which I was pretty surprised about. I didn't realize that she would be so excited about something that for an interview that would only last like 30 minutes. But she was very excited, and she even recommended me to watch a documentary to help me understand more about my topic. I think Ms. Casas provided me a perspective that my mentor couldn't. My mentor focuses on the chemical aspect of the environment, while Ms. Casas focuses on a more hands-on approach. As she goes to these places, her organization has scholarships where they go to different places to help the environment there. And I think that those two perspectives will really help me through my research. I found that through the 6 weeks, one of the best things I used, the best assignment that we had was the one pager because it really helped me understand how to read these complex articles, or because I tried to research a little bit before I interviewed Ms. Kaz, and I found that with the one pager, as we had ideas on how to understand it, I was able to form more profound, create a more profound discussion with Ms. Kaz. One of the major problems I had while researching was that I couldn't see how I could put forth a solution that would be effective. And while I have ideas while I was talking to my mentor, he helped me he helped me think of a few solutions, but I didn't really see how I could put these into effect without without having a bigger platform. However, I feel that will come with more research, and my mentor has been really helpful in guiding me and which direction he thinks would be best for me to look into. And he's also helping me think of create a more profound, like helping my because he has a profound sense of knowledge, so he knows things or like areas that I could research that will help me learn more and therefore help my project. Well, I'm really looking forward to continue researching, and I'm excited to learn more about my topic. And I think that one direction that I didn't actually go this 6 weeks that I want to go into next 6 weeks is focusing more on household products because this 6 weeks I focused a lot on like pesticides, but more in how they're sprayed on fruit before they get how they're sprayed on produce before they get shipped to grocery stores, and I kind of want to focus more on how they affect us on a daily basis, how they affect us in our homes. For example, using using pesticides such as insect removal and weed killer. Thank you.